A flamboyant cuttlefish, no bigger than a peanut. He's vulnerable. He's spotted by a hairy frogfish. Just like magic, he melts into the background, leaving the frogfish confused. This trickery keeps him safe and buys him the time he needs to grow into his own skin. After 3 months, he's turned into the sophisticated predator he was born to be. He uses his dazzling colors to his advantage. With thousands of color-changing cells in his body, he can create a display so mesmerizing, it hypnotizes his target. Faced with this masterful deception, no shrimp stands a chance.